This clip is brought to you by 8 Sleep Mattresses, the temperature-controlled Tesla of beds that automates your sleep. Sleep better and enjoy this clip.
Do you do any specific in the gym training? Do you think that has like a correlation back to jiu-jitsu, or do you mainly just like go in and like lift?
Yeah, so I've been working with Jason Khalipa for about a year now.
Oh, nice.
I connected with him, and I'm so blessed to have the opportunity to work out with him. You know, he's a great dude.
He's amazing. Yeah.
And man, he literally has me come to his house and we work out in his garage. So it's like I couldn't ask for a better, strength and conditioning protocol.
Yeah, those workouts are tough.
Yeah, so I work with him 1 to 2 times a week, and then he'll usually like write me something to do on my own for the other session. And yeah, I've noticed that it helps a lot. Definitely, the biggest thing really is injury prevention. Mm-hmm. Injury prevention. Yeah, I haven't had really any serious injuries, and if I do, like let's say like I tweak my knee, I'm out for 2 to 4 weeks instead of 2 to 4 months.
Yeah,
I'm not like, if I tear something, it's not fully tearing because I have the muscle to support it now.
That's one thing I've noticed too, real quick when it comes to like lift, because I remember earlier on there would be times where I would not lift as much, and in those times where I wouldn't be lifting as much, I just have little things that would start happening, like my shoulder would start feeling a little bit weak, or my fucking knee would start going kind of odd, right? And then I'd start lifting again, and my body would feel resilient again. So I think like if you don't have to lift like a bodybuilder or anything, but if you can get some lifting in as a jiu-jitsu athlete, your body will just be more resilient to the pressures of the sport.
Absolutely.
Yeah.
Are you doing Olympic lifts and things like that, or not too much of that?
Yeah,
I know he likes that stuff.
We do like risk versus reward, right? So like if I was to go work out with him tomorrow, we would be doing a lot less of like something new to me. But when we're in the off season, yeah, he teaches me a lot of the new lifts. We've done a lot of hang cleans, power cleans, clean and jerks. We haven't really done any like overhead squats, but we do like squat, deadlift, bench, some cleans. That's like the foundation of what we do.
It's amazing that you got access to him. He's like one of the best coaches I've ever been around. He's incredible.
No, amazing. And I'm just lucky, and it's just one of the perks of the hard work that I've put in the last 10 years to get myself to this position where now I'm a high level black belt. You meet a guy like Jason, Jason's a high level CrossFit athlete, and he has a passion for jiu-jitsu. So that's what connected us. And anytime he comes into the gym and trains with us as well, and I try to help him back as much as I can, and yeah, it's just one of the perks that I've gotten from jiu-jitsu, meeting other people that also love jiu-jitsu. And then because I'm in jiu-jitsu and he loves jiu-jitsu, he wants to go and like help me with my career and help me with my strength conditioning program. So it's amazing. Yeah, I'm super thankful.
Do you lift before or after usually? Before a jiu-jitsu training session or after?
If I could have my choice, I would do my lift at night. So I would go and train, and then I would have like a break, like at least like 4 hours, and then I would go and do my strength conditioning. But with that being said, the only time I can usually get with Jason is in the morning. So I've had to kind of suck it up and switch it and do my lift first and then the jiu-jitsu training.
So no steak and eggs before you lift?
No, I do.
Oh, there you go.
I do steak and eggs, and then I literally eat as soon as I'm done eating.
I like this lifestyle.
As soon as I ate steak and eggs on the way here. I have the plate still in the car.
Wow, that's awesome.
I did.
What, you got a Tesla, or are you just trying to drive in?
I do have a Tesla. Yeah.
Oh, you do?
Yeah.
Oh, sick. I do that all the time too.
Yeah, so I was just eating and yeah.
That's funny. How much do you give to the lifting sessions? What I mean is, because like right now I'm still trying to find the balance of like, okay, lifting and rolling. So when I'm lifting, sometimes I'll kind of be a little bitch because I don't want to give too much to this workout because I plan on having a good roll the following morning. So for yourself, how have you been able to like kind of, I guess, auto-regulate how much energy you're giving to lifting versus jiu-jitsu?
Yeah, it would just depend on what phase I'm in. Right now, I'm real close to competition, so I'm not going to be putting all my energy into lifting heavy weights. Strength. It takes a long time to build strength, but then it stays with you also the longest, right? So it wouldn't really. I'm not going to get any stronger in 2 weeks, but I could definitely increase my cardio a little bit in the next 2 weeks. So yeah, it depends. Right after I compete, I'll get more into a lifting phase, and I'll start working on my strength again. And then as I get closer to competition, I'll slowly start cutting down on the weights and start incorporating more like sprint work, more like explosive work, and definitely focusing a lot more on the jiu-jitsu as well.
Hey guys, if you like this clip, go ahead and comment down below and let us know what you liked about it, all right? Share this with a friend, make sure to subscribe to the channel. And also, we are on Reddit and Discord. All that's down below. All our sponsors and everyone that supports us down below there too, so you can get whatever you like from us. All right? Peace.